let's kind of continue into why should you be investing? We understood what is investing and what are the various instruments to invest in. Now let's kind of jump on, kind of really understand what is the reason for you to be investing. Why investing? That's the question. Now, just read this. It simply said that one cannot be rich just by working. Wealth can only be made by investing smartly. Now let us kind of understand this a bit. Say you're employed, you're working for a salary every month. So you exchange your time and skill for that fixed monthly income. Say all of us have around 30 to 35 years of working life. So we start on an average at around 25 and go all the way up to 60 years. So that's around 35 years. So now 35 years of earning, that's a finite earning, right? And if whatever earning you make, and if you end up spending all of that, when you reach 60, you will be left with nothing, and you'll have to continue working till you are living, till you are alive, right? So now the wealth cannot be made just by working. It simply is not possible. So whatever you earn, there has to be a certain component of that which you have to invest. It's just not saving. Saving does not help. Saving is an old concept where we would buy gold and kind of keep it inside. Take the money, keep it inside. No, that does not work. Saving does not work anymore. Along with saving, you should have the habit of investing. And only when you smartly invest in the right instruments, taking a measured risk. You don't have to kind of be overly risky, at the same time overly conservative. There has to be a measured balance where you can kind of balance your whole capital. Some amounts can go to the very safe instruments. Some amount can go to a slightly aggressive one where you get a combination of good returns. So that's the reason why you have to be investing. So that's the main reason. So now I want you to kind of think, what are the reasons for your own self that you want to be investing? Just take some time, write that down and comment below, why do you think you would want to invest? So the main reason for me is that for creation of wealth, if you do not invest, there is no way on this earth you can be wealthy. For that one reason itself, we all have to be investing in the right instruments and in the right market. I hope you kind of got that and you agree with that. So if you kind of agree that, type in the comment S to investing. I'll see you in the next section. Bye-bye.